doorway. Right, it's hard for me to investigate when you're playing so much. Nothing. Nothing at all. We found some sort of structure. It looks like some sort of scaffolding that goes up to the canopy, but it's surrounded by a fence and barbed wire. There might be another way up it, but it looks like it's going up in the trees at least. What the hell is this thing?
How safe is it or not?
A little bit hard to tell from here on the outside of it. The barbed wire certainly doesn't look safe.
Have your tetanus shot?
Holy sh**, that thing goes up high.
The metal framework to the structure above was rusted and disused, and despite concerns about the death trap staircase, this represented our best option to get up through the tree line and get a view of the night sky.
We were in, we came around the back side of it and cleared some brush, and the gate is rusty, but it's not hinged to anything, so we just kicked it open. We're going to try to go up now. I don't know what the condition of the thing is, but we'll see if we can go up it now.
Ow! Barbed wire.
I got the head. I got the head, Bella. I got the head. I got the head. No.
Do you want to go first? I didn't mean to.